In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best type of wipers that you should buy, how to make them last for years, and also how to maintain quiet and silent operation. With so many brands and so many different types of choices, it's hard to determine which type of wipers you should buy, especially when the salesman just want to sell you something cheap to keep you coming back every single year. The only type you should buy is any type of silicone wiper blade. These are the best wiper blades out there that you can buy that last 2 to 5 times longer because they withstand elements and temperatures, and not to mention salt and road grime, whereas the rubber wiper blades just don't last. The silicone ones are probably going to be double the price of the rubber blades, but by the time you buy them, you don't have to keep coming back year after year when your wiper blades tear off and look like this. Most of the time you get 2 years out of them if you're lucky. Versus the ones that happen to be on my truck, these silicone blades are already over 4 years old, and the ones that I have on my Toyota 4Runner are coming up on 3 years and still look and perform like new. But you do have to maintain them just like everything else, and it doesn't take much, but adding a product like 303 can greatly increase the life of your wiper blades. All you have to do is simply spray some on a dry rag and then simply put a little bit of medium pressure onto the bottom of your wiper blade. This will clean and also protect the wiper blade for years to come, and also maintain clean and quiet operation. I just did this a month ago, and you can already see how much material from the roads is coming off of the wiper blade, and that's one reason they tend to fail, get streaky, is because of the dirt that builds up on them, and washing your car doesn't work. So simply apply a little bit and then just let it dry for a couple minutes. You can also add a product like this, which I happen to have a love-hate relationship with because it does apply easily by simply spraying it onto your windshield. Then you take a cloth and just buff it in, let it dry to a haze, and then you just buff it right back off. But after it dries, I tend to get windshield wiper chatter, which this can last for hours, sometimes even a couple days before it goes away. Even if it's raining heavily, I'll still get a little bit of chatter, and it just happens to be really annoying. So for the most part, I stopped using it, and I just stay with the silicone wiper blades, and I'll also just continue to use the 303 and protect them about twice a year, and that's really all you have to do. I hope you guys like this short video, and be sure to smash that like button for me, and until then, I hope to see you guys next time.